I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Changing your eSIM card on Vodafone UK can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Power off your device. Before you start, make sure to turn off your phone. This prevents any potential damage to the eSIM card or the device itself during the swap. Step 2. Locate the eSIM card tray. Find the eSIM card tray on your device. This is usually on the side or back of the phone. You may need a eSIM eject tool or a paperclip to open it. Step 3. Remove the old eSIM card. Gently push the eject tool into the small hole next to the eSIM tray. Once it pops out, carefully remove the old eSIM card. Make sure to note the orientation of the card for proper placement of the new one. Step 4. Insert the new eSIM card. Take your new eSIM card and place it in the tray, ensuring it is aligned correctly. Push the tray back into the device until it clicks into place. Step 5. Power on your device. Before activation, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility check and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Remember, if you have any issues, it might be worth checking if the eSIM is activated or if your device is compatible with the new card. Happy swapping!